Hello and welcome to the 500 workshop. It's been a while over winter, not had the cars out, but now coming into spring we're back outside looking at small jobs on the car. So the first thing we're going to do is sort out these headlights. So one of our viewers has kindly pointed out the headlights are fitted wrong on both my cars, and hold my hands up, that was a me job and clearly got it wrong. Didn't quite understand how the lights went back in, and we'll show you what's wrong. So in here we have our headlight, and this is from the rear, and what is meant to happen, let me just try and steady the camera for a second, is this bolt here is actually meant to come through from the other side, and what I've done is put it in this side, and I put an extra bolt on there as well because I didn't really know what I was doing. So we're gonna have to find somewhere else to earth these against, and the spring should be on here, which is hopefully somewhere in there. Maybe not, maybe I'm missing the spring, so I'll have to look, but the spring is meant to attach to that. I'll go and show you on the other car now because I've fixed that, and I'll show you what it should look like. So here's what it should look like, and as you can see there's a bolt here and it's sat in the hole, proud, but actually from the other side. So we put the light in and it sits there, and then you tighten it up to move the light back in and out, and then we have our spring here which is hooked on to this bracket and keeps it in place. And there's another bolt up the top here, done exactly the same, so pushed through from the other side and then tightened. And what you can see is the light here sits much prouder than the one on the other car, which is where it should be. Now we haven't adjusted these lights to be shining in the right direction yet, that needs to be another video, but we'll take one of the lights on the red car out and hopefully you'll be able to see what we're talking about. So I'm going to undo that bolt there and the one up the top there, hopefully you can see that, and then we can take the light out and show you a bit better. So as you can see, our light's out. Here are the two screwing points, one there and one there, and here's our spring. Now this spring I had to take off another light that I had, a left hand light. These are right hand lights because we're in the UK, and I had some spare, so I took that one off there because I'd clearly taken it off thinking I didn't need it when I installed the lights. So what we're going to do is going to get our bolts, and we're actually going to put them in here before installation, and then that end will push through our hole here, and we'll do the same on the other side, and it should just push through that hole if I can move the gasket out the way, and then we can tighten it up from the other side, which seems counterintuitive, but that's how these work. You can see how thin the bevel of the light looks on this side where it's installed incorrectly. So once we've done this side, we'll show you exactly what that looks like. So I'm going to put both of these in, then try and align them with the two holes, and then push it in and tighten it up from the other side. So let's get on to that. So we've got our light. There's a little hook down the bottom here which we slot in. It's difficult to do while looking through the camera, and then we're going to see how our bolts line up, and as you can see it's just slightly out, so what we're going to do is manipulate that by hand and just try and get it towards the hole, and we do the same with the bottom one. Okay, so that's what it's meant to look like from the back. So those have come through now. I found a new grounding for that one, and new grounding for that one as well that was on there before. It sticks out a huge amount of the way at the moment though, so now we need to wind it back in. So to do that, we're going to tighten these nuts up from this side, sorry, the bolts. And there we go, the bolts are now tight. The light is now slightly proud, much prouder than this one, which I now need to do. Now, as I said, I haven't set these correctly. We'll do that in another video. And there we go, both lights now installed correctly. Obviously, like I said, not necessarily facing in the right direction at the moment. We'll sort that later, but at least installed as they now should be and looking good.